In this unit, we are going to begin discussing dimensioning in the engineering industry. Dimensioning can definitely be very overwhelming when you first look at a drawing and can be very intimidating. Once you understand the process and how dimensions are used, it becomes easier with practice. It also makes it more fun when you can apply these skills to things that you're interested in. One example that I've currently seen in class lately is skateboarding. Many of my students right now are interested in skateboarding, so if you take a look and just Google skateboard dimensions, you can begin to see how these skills that you're learning in my class are actually used in the skateboarding industry within these designs that you're seeing here. So again, when someone may look at something like this, it becomes very intimidating, but if it's something that you're interested in, you want to learn, that's also a great motivator to begin to develop these skills. So let's start showing you how you can use your dimensioning skills and learn about dimensioning. The first thing you'll need to do is access your OneNote binder through our OneDrive and go ahead and navigate to our content library with all of our coursework. Go into the AutoCAD tab, and from there you're going to go into our dimensioning unit. So we just finished single view and multi-views. Now we're going to move on to actually dimensioning those drawings that we created. You can go ahead and read through the directions here, and once you've gone ahead and read through them, you can complete the activity. Pretty much you're going to follow this link and then answer these questions that I've created below. The link is really nice because it breaks down the engineering drawing and how you can use some of these basic types of dimensioning in your design. Once you get into it and you can actually play it. You can click the next and previous arrows here, and you can click into it. The unidirectional system. And then it'll actually give you an example, explain it, and show you what that dimensioning standard or style is used for. As you're watching the interactive video, you should be completing these questions below. Some of them will ask you to actually draw in some things or examples. To do that, you can use your Draw tab up here, and if you're on your student device, you can use the stylus, or you can just manually do it just by clicking the pen tool up here as well and using your mouse. Some of the questions will also ask you to locate some examples of engineering drawings utilizing some of those different dimensioning styles or systems as well. When you go grab a picture off the internet, just make sure you resize the image as needed so it doesn't take up the entire page here. So go ahead and scale those down a little bit. And then once you're done, I will be checking these in just to make sure that you understand the styles and standards. And I did put here in number 3 that this is very important that you learn these skills because they're going to be used throughout the rest of the year with all of our drawings. So you really need to get a good hold on dimensioning, and this activity is going to help you do that. And then we will build on this activity tomorrow in class. So this is your homework tonight. Tomorrow in class we'll go ahead and apply these dimensioning skills to some of the previous single view drawings that you created in AutoCAD. So if you go and take a look, tomorrow we're going to be working on figure 141B, which is one that we already created in our single view drawings tab, which was right here. Very, very basic. We'll start out nice and simple, and we'll use one of the systems that you're going to learn today in your homework, and we will apply that in AutoCAD so we can add dimensions to this drawing. And again, as we move through, it'll become a little bit more difficult every time. We're just starting out very basic tomorrow. So that's it, and I will see you tomorrow in class.